Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel again. Today's video about how to add voice effect on a TikTok videos. So if you are looking for this topic, then this video is for you. And our channel is about all of social media related. So if you are social media freak, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. First go to TikTok apps. After that, press on plus icon, then record anything. Then click on right icon. After that, you will see voice effects option. Then click on it. After that, you will see a lot of sticker as like Chipmuni, Veritone, Mic, Megaphone, Robot, as like I chose Chipmuni. If you don't download it, then you need to download it. After complete the download, you can use these voice effects. So how does it look? We'll try. So here you can see voice effects will be applied to your recording an original audio. That means when you upload a video with a voice, then after that if you choose this, then your voice will be changed. I hope you get understand, and I think you hopefully likes our effort. If you likes our effort, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. And if you don't want to miss out our video, then press on bell icon. Bye bye, we'll see you in the next video.